Alright, so this video is me at the junkyard. There's no real content. I was here getting the injector wiring and injectors for the 91 hatch. It's like 2 days, a week apart. The first video I was looking for the OBD1 injector harness, and the second part of the video, it's like a week later, I'm at the junkyard again. It's because I realized that I can use the OBD2 injector harness and injectors because they too don't have the resistor box. So this video is kind of boring. There's really nothing to it. It's 14 minutes of me walking around the junkyard, so enjoy. Alright, we have an 88 Civic here. It's I mean, there's actually some parts left. You got your 2 headlights. I mean, the hood has no dents in it. It's definitely usable. It is a dual point fuel injection, so there ain't much you can use out of that. It is a 5-speed though. It's got its mirrors. The dash is somewhat intact. Door cards are fucked. Well, it looks like the passenger side is. It's got a different mirror on it too. Look at it, it's got the cord. It's like a power mirror. Looks like all the back plastics are there. Rear taillights are missing. There's some good usable parts here. I don't know. I might come back and grab the headlights and the side mirrors. The molding is still good too on this side. The other side, not so much. Well, this part is, but this one's all rusted. And this one has been hit, but you might be able to fix that. I love MILFs. We got a CRV. I'm pretty sure the table's probably gone. Yes, it is. Automatic. There's a 5-speed here, but it has been stripped. Here's another 2nd gen CRV. It's a 99, or it's a 1st gen CRV, my bad. Not sure where that came from, but the table is gone. Don't know where that leather seat's from. And it is an automatic. Some wet cigarettes. The interior is always really nice in these though. It's a shame. Alright, green 2000 CRV. Table is gone. Dark interior. Automatic. Front seats are gone. The dark interior is nicer than the light interior. Nothing to see here, folks. It's a 98. And it looks like the table is gone. Yeah, this is one with a light interior. I'm not a fan of this, even though both of my 1st gens had this light interior. Automatic, factory stereo. Nothing of interest in here. Alright, here's a 91 hatch. Looks like somebody left a headlight. It's full of water, but it has been exposed to the elements. It did rain quite a bit yesterday. It does have a 5-speed, but it is the dual point fuel injection, which won't help me. Alright, we got a 87 Civic hatch. I love these type of hatches, this generation. Rear tail lights look good. The door's been taken off, but they didn't take the door. Fender ripped off. Fog lights or headlights are gone. Looks like the mirrors are gone. Back seat, hood. Glove box maybe. Still all there. Looks like the hood struts are new. Alright, this is the car I actually came here for. It's a 93 Civic hatch. I came here for the resistor block off and the fuel injector wires, which unfortunately somebody cut them off. I don't know why. That makes no sense. Why would you do that? They didn't even take the fuel rail, and there's a fuel injector still in it, so doesn't really have what I need. I mean, I guess I could take this section of the wire, but it only does me half of what I need, so yeah, I'm probably not going to take it. This car has been gutted for the most part. There ain't much left of it at all. It was a 5-speed and somebody took that. It looks like the spindles are still here, or at least the other side is. Here's the 5-speed CRV, and everything is gone. All the 5-speed parts are gone. The dash, the upper cover, the shifter, everything. Although they should have took that for people that want to convert. Nothing left. Oh no, that's actually here. Huh. Well, that was stupid. I'm not taking it though. And the table is gone. Nothing to see here. And that doesn't look very safe. Neither does that one. We got a 2nd gen CRV. Table's gone. Automatic. Look at this guy. This thing's old. This vehicle is not for sale. Mercedes-Benz 61. Looks like it's full of parts. Man, I bet there's tons of money just sitting here. Are those the bumpers? I guarantee it. Looks like the back of it's full of stuff too. All the weather stripping. It's crazy. Bet these things are worth a ton of money. There's an extra gas door. Man, I bet this thing has a ton of money just sitting here. Oh shit. Probably factory radio. That thing's probably worth some money. I don't know, in 61 they didn't have a tape deck, so that's factory to something. It's got the full engine and transmission. Yeah, there's a ton of money just sitting here. It's crazy what you find in the junkyard every now and then. Let's shut it up. That way it stays dry, and maybe somebody can make some money, save some parts. (2002) CRV, it's got the roof rack. Table is gone. What is going on here? Looks like it was set up for right-hand drive. Look at this garbage. 1,800 bucks. Broken headlight. Flat tire. Another broken headlight. 1,800 bucks. Really? Come on. We're here at the junkyard. This is a 88 Honda Civic. The front bumper looks okay. Last time I was here, all the molding was here. I was gonna grab that, but it's gone. And the rear bumper is here. It looks okay. I was gonna grab the wiring. It is a dual point, but somebody cut it. Jackasses. Because I was gonna grab it to make a multi-point out of it and sell it. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna be doing that. But I am going to grab the hood latch, just because the one on the 91 hatch is kind of jacked up, so we're gonna grab that. All right, 2000 Civic sedan. A hatch or a coupe are like almost impossible to find in the junkyard. Look at that, it's got 85,000 miles. That's crazy. Wonder what happened to it. It don't look wrecked. Oh, the engine's gone. Well, that sucks. Somebody took a fan and threw it in the windshield. But I mean, this car looks like it's in good shape. And it has 85,000 miles. That's just crazy. I guess maybe they didn't put oil in the engine. I don't know. I guess the person that took the engine is gonna find out. All right, on to the next one. Honda Ridgeline. These are rare to see in the junkyard. Engine's still here. All right, here's a 98 Civic. Intake's gone, injector's gone, wiring is gone. You know, I can probably get what I need off of a CRV. Let's go find the CRV. There is a red one right there. It's a B series. Does it have injectors? It does. And it's got the wiring. It's got everything I need. Alright, I'm going to start cutting up and get these done.